Hi friends, I can't believe tomorrow's Father's Day, and here's a last-minute gift idea. Here's what you need: string, scissors, and tape. Get ready, because together we're going to make a friendship bracelet. In order to make the bracelet, you need to select 3 different colors. For my bracelet, I chose blue, green, and yellow. We're going to be making the Chinese ladder bracelet, and to start that off, you're going to need to tie a knot at the end of the line and make sure that they're all matching at the top. So now that you have your hoop, tape it to a solid surface. Now to start the Chinese bracelet, you're going to need to choose a color to start with. I'm going to start with blue. And we're going to do a regular 4 knot. So grab the 2 extra strings in your right hand, the first string in your left, and a 4 knot, which looks like this, a 4. Then go under, grab the string, and pull up, and pull tight. And we're going to be repeating that 30 times with the blue color. If you can see, the Chinese bracelet has knots that are pointing out and going in a spiral, something like this. As you can see, the spiral going around the main bracelet. So every once in a while, help the extra knots that are pointing out to go into a spiral, because if you don't, it'll just be in a straight line and it won't look good. Now that I've finished 30 knots on my blue section, I'm going to change colors to the green and have the 2 extra strings on my right hand and the main color that I chose on my left, and continue doing the 4 knots. Now that I've finished my green section, I can continue on to the next. I'm going to choose yellow on the left, the 2 extras on my right, and continue the 4 knot. Now that I have done all 3 colors, I'm going to repeat the sequence by starting with blue. I realized that I had too much string left, so I decided to continue so that I can loop around a wrist twice. Now I'm going to teach you how to finish off tying your friendship bracelet. At the end of your bracelet, you're going to want to tie a knot. Then it is ready to be tied on your father's wrist. I hope you like this project, and happy Father's Day.